Alright boys, today we are going to be riding our bike. And why is my bike not working? Yo, Mikey, my bike might be... Whoa, that was interesting. If anybody knew what the heck just happened, put that in the comments. What? Alright, so we're just gonna ride a bike around the neighborhood. I got this new thing that allows my phone to be strapped to my chest, so I'm gonna make more videos like this. So if this video gets 5 likes, I will make another one or something similar like this. What is it, Mikey?
Let me check if we're going the right way.
Where are we going?
Actually, no, keep going straight and then...
All right. Mikey, I'm recording right now, by the way. All right, we're not gonna stop anymore. So we're gonna what? All right, so what are we doing today, Mikey?
We're riding our bikes
Where are we going?
around the neighborhood.
Are you tracking your sister?
No, I didn't.
Ah, there she is. Hello. Is that this one? Is that your sister? Was that your sister? And her friend, I assume? What is? What's helpful? About to go fast. So get ready. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, well, Mikey! Left or right? Left! Mikey! Left! Left side! Just had to tell him that. I did a little call out so he knows. We can loop back around. Where's Mikey? Left again! Left side! Oh my goodness. Mikey always having to do something. I have to turn back for him. Mikey, come on! What is it? I'm recording right now. We can't stop in the middle of recording. What is it?
I wasn't looking right or left because I wasn't supposed to because there wasn't a stop sign. And this guy pulls out of his driveway, makes me brake.
Oh, come on, Mikey, let's go. You can talk. Come on. Okay, that's cool. Mikey, come on, let's go.
That way?
No, this way. The only reason I turned back. No, this way. You just got back from that way. Come on. Nah. We'll do that on this loop. Come on. It's gonna lead us back up to the hill. I have a route that we can do. Ay, Mikey and just taking detours. Yes. And my bike just doesn't want to work. Of course it doesn't. Oh, that's fine. Where's Mikey? Ay. Well, guys, do y'all like ever have a craving randomly for like food? Like, do you ever have a craving randomly for food? Like, let's say you could like be walking or running or something, and out of nowhere you just want raw ramen for no reason, just because why not? Has that ever happened to you? Because it's happened to me many, many times. Wait, don't ask why. Mikey! Damn. Why is he so slow? I can't record of him. But we're gonna make this loop and then we're gonna go the other side. Ask me again, Mikey, alright, guys? He needs to keep up. He keeps stopping for no reason. Let me put you down a tiny bit. Alright, I just fixed my camera, guys. My bad. I had to fix my camera. Just the tiniest bit upwards. Alright. Let's go, guys. We're gonna do the same exact loop, and then we're gonna go the right side this time instead of the left way. Instead of the right side. We're gonna go. Oh, I cannot say the sentence. We're gonna go to the right instead of the left. I'm just gonna go to the left real quick to get Mikey, because for whatever reason, he is just not there. Oh my god. I'm about to lap him. Mikey! Oh my gosh. Where did this take me? Oh, this one's going on so much. Whew. Do this all over again. Mikey! Behind you! Come on! I lapped you! Let's go! This way! Keep up! What is he's on TikTok. Of course he is. Mikey! Come this way! Come on, Mikey! No, I just went that way! Do with this kid. I just went that way, Mikey, come on! Oh, yeah. He needs to keep up. I just lapped him. He's watching TikTok. Tell me in the comments how to get this kid off of TikTok. I try to go outside with him, he brings his phone and watches TikTok. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna wait for him here, guys. So we're just gonna have to wait for him. Mikey! Stop stopping! Don't stop anymore, come on! Cause I keep having to... I'm sorry, guys. Yeah? My bike was in first gear too, Mikey. Mikey, come on. Alright, Mikey. What do you have to say to the viewers right now? What do you have to say to the viewers right now? What should they do? Mikey, what should the viewers do right now? What should the viewers do? Thank you. God, this kid's slow. I asked her a question and she's like, what? Ay. Come on, don't slow down. Ooh. Speed it up. Guys, I'm sorry about this. I'm not expecting this to be this slow, guys. Whoa, look at these decorations, guys. That's cool. Let's stop by the creek, guys. Who doesn't like a creek? Who doesn't love a creek? So let's just see. Nice the creek is. just park our bike right here. And just admired it for a good 5 seconds. And by 5 I meant 10. Let's go down there real quick, guys. Let me roll this so y'all can actually see what I'm seeing. Ooh. Oh, it's so nice in the creek. But let's go. Come on. Somehow Mikey still hasn't